My name is Chris Bourgeois. I'm the fire chief of Schriever Fire Department, Schriever, Louisiana. We're here inspecting our Typhoon Heavy Rescue. It's been a long process, but we're excited the day's finally come. We're about an hour west of New Orleans. Population about 20,000. We're in about 400 calls a year. Those calls are auto accidents. We have Highway 90 and some main thoroughfares that pass through our district with a lot of commute traffic. We chose a Typhoon chassis mostly for all the upgraded safety features, integrated roll cage. The air conditioning system is state of art and keeps everything cool, especially we're using it for rehab. This truck's also going to replace a current truck that we're running right now. Is 23 years old, served us well. As our community grows, our department grows, we felt it was needed time for an upgrade and to keep up with the growing pace of all of us. One of the things we also did was we went with the raised roof. We have an overhead compartment that's going to be utilized for storing medical equipment, and we went with a bent seat. That's going to assist us with our rehab, with the air conditioning system that we chose, and also under seat storage for portable chairs and bottled water and other things for rehab. One of the things we did right here, we have a large complement of airbags that we utilize, and each tray actually has its own airbag, and that keeps everything organized and for rapid deployment. We went with the HRT system that's really designed by the E1 engineers here. This allows us to run 6 tools at one time. We currently run AMCUS, which requires 10,500 PSI, and that allows us to run all 6 without having any kind of loss in pressure. On the rear compartment, we run multiple sets of tools. This tray is going to allow us to keep all of our tools in one compartment. And we chose a lower height, the way the average person can take it off without having to climb in and grab more tools out. We went with this particular cascade system. We run a 4-bank system. It's going to allow us to fill our bottles. Multiple compartments here, and above the wheel wells, we also have more SCBA bottle compartments. In the rear, we have an air hose that will be able to run our pneumatic air tools. In this compartment, we decided to go with a floor dry hopper. This will actually hold one 50-pound bag of floor dry. And we'll be able to put a bucket or any kind of container and actually catch it with a quick fill. We also went with dual electric awnings, just for the high temperatures that we might experience and the high humidities. The awning is going to assist us with rehab, and also while we're having somebody filling bottles, they're protecting them from the elements, not just the heat. Hank and Keith at Sunbelt have been great. It really helped us walk through the process, kept us in communication and let us know what was going on through the whole thing. Dealing with E1 engineers and everybody here has been a great experience, keeping us posted, letting us know everything, anywhere from the actual financing part of it up to pre-delivery where we're at today.